The Mitsubishi 4B11T is a platform known for its tunability, and when paired with the right camshaft setup, the performance gains can be significant. Thanks to continuously variable intake and exhaust valve timing, the 4B11T allows for precise tuning across the rev range, improving both drivability and top-end power. At Kelford Cams, we've spent years developing camshaft profiles that push this engine's potential even further. Using ultra-modern design principles, state-of-the-art CNC grinding, and precision casting techniques, our camshafts are built for both reliability and results. We offer 5 different cam profiles for the 4B11T, from restrictor rally cams, designed to meet motorsport regulations, through to full drag racing profiles that support high boost, big turbos, and extreme RPM. Each cam is designed with purpose, whether you're chasing torque for technical rally stages or peak horsepower for the drag strip. To complete the package, we also supply valve springs, valve guides, and performance valves, purpose-built to work seamlessly with our camshafts and the demands of high-performance B11T engines. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a range built to match your build goals.